This is Epic. Epic is an app for reading. You can find books and videos. These books and videos, you can use them for fun or you can use them to learn new things. On the main screen of Epic, you find lots of titles of books and videos. If you want to search for something, press search. Here you can browse from different kinds of topics, information about so much stuff here in Epic. For example, I want information about airplanes. So I tap here. And here I have books that have to do with airplanes. If I want to make sure that these books are non-fiction, which means real world information, I tap where it says fiction and I choose non-fiction, which is information books. I press show results and here I have now only books about airplanes that have real information. If I want to type a topic, I can type here, for example, lions. And here I have books and videos about lions. And if I want to make sure that these are information, I press non-fiction. And this way, this is all information about lions. This is how you can browse or search for information in Epic. Now, you give it a try.